Hey, this is my school project, and I did it on roller coasters, and so we built one. It's 100 feet long, and me and my dad actually built it, and so I'll show you how fun it is to go on it. This is the car. It's sitting on a test track, and this is like a small version. And so look at the inside of them. These are rollerblade wheels. See, these ones keep it on the track, and so you don't fall off. And these ones just move like a car does. It just moves straight on. This is an 8-foot piece of wood, and we're measuring it by 1-foot increments. So you just like measure that, and then where's the next foot? 2 feet. Keep putting it down, and this is 3 feet. We need to be able to connect the pipes, so we bought some couplings. See, they're a little too big, they can't fit in there, so we're sanding them down just a little, much. Now let's see if this fits. Oh, still, see, it doesn't fit, so we want to just flip that switch back on. I'm cutting this piece of wood into 1-foot sections for the track, and okay. I'm building the track for my roller coaster. See, you can see the PVC pipe on, and then the wood going through the middle. I'm still working on it. Now we are put the posts in the ground, and now we're putting on the base so the track can come over here so I can show you the track. So the track can be laid on it. Right here. This is what we're doing. So, I'll show you how fun it is to go on it. That's really fun.
Alright, so here is the roller coaster that we built. It's 100 feet long. It's for Connor's school project. They talked me into helping them in our backyard build this roller coaster, and it goes really smooth and fast. And we had to come up with a bunch of creative ways to help slow it down at the end because it was just so fast. The momentum just kept carrying, so we figured that out, and now it's working fine. Here he goes.